Hey there, this is an easy recipe for chili con carne, and this is one of the most popular recipes on the website at Luchito, so we hope that you really like this video. I'm gonna walk you through the recipe step by step. Alright, let's get cooking. Start by browning the mince in a very hot pan with a little olive oil. Let it get a good color. Add the onion, celery, garlic, oregano, and Gran Luchito Chipotle paste. Stir and cook for at least 10 minutes. Now it's time to add the chopped red peppers, the tomato puree, the ground coriander, cumin, cinnamon, and also the coriander stalks. Season well with salt and black pepper. Pour in the chopped tomatoes and the beef stock. You can also use chicken stock. Cover and let it simmer for at least 1 hour. It's time to add the cantina beans and juices. Make sure to get it all in. Finish your chili with the remaining coriander leaves, roughly chopped, and stir them all in. Taste and adjust the seasoning if necessary. Serve your chili hot with steamed white rice, dollops of creme fraiche, and more freshly chopped coriander on top. Enjoy!